What happens when you treat your plants with a banana peel soaked in yeast water? The results will leave you amazed. Take one fresh banana peel and set it aside. Now prepare a simple natural mix. In 1 liter of water, add a spoon of yeast and stir well until dissolved. This creates a powerful solution packed with nutrients and beneficial microbes. Place the banana peel into this yeast water and let it soak for about 1 hour. During this time, the peel absorbs the goodness, turning into a natural booster. After soaking, take out the peel and use it directly on your plants. Rub the peel along the hard branches and stems. As you do this, the surface of the peel gently releases its nutrients and beneficial compounds, while also cleaning the bark and helping the plant absorb moisture more effectively. The combination of banana peel's natural potassium and yeast's microbial activity gives new strength to the plant, supporting stronger growth and healthier resistance against stress. You'll notice over time that the treated branches look more vibrant, and your plants respond with greener leaves and stronger shoots. It's such a simple step, yet it works like magic when done regularly. Try this method once and watch how your garden responds. It might just become your new favorite trick.